Hey guys, Audrey here, and this is a JAC capsule on exponent rules. In this video, we're going to be talking about the exponent rule a to the m all to the power of n. Let's go. All right, so our exponent rule a to the m to the power of n, the first thing it's important to note is that the order of those exponents doesn't actually matter. This is the same thing as a to the n all to the power of m. So I can move them around. And this is because this is the same thing as a to the m times n. An order of multiplication doesn't matter. M times n is the same thing as n times n. So your task for this video is going to be to apply this rule to x to the fourth squared. So take a second, pause the video, apply the rule, then come back, we'll do it together, and we'll talk a little bit more about what this means. All right, so x to the fourth squared, according to this rule, is the same thing as x squared to the fourth, and this is the same thing as x to the power of 2 times 4. So that's x to the 8. All right, so why is this x to the 8? Let's think about it in terms of the x squared to the power of 4. I know that x squared is equal to x times x, right? So x squared to the power of 4 then, to the power of 4, would be equal to x times x to the power of 4. To the power of 4. But what does a power of 4 mean? The power of 2 meant multiply this by itself 2 times. The power of 4 means multiply what you have inside by itself 4 times. So we're going to do that. Our first one is x times x. So we're going to have x times x. And then we're going to do it again. X times x. And then we're going to do it again. X times x. And then we're going to do it our fourth time to get x times x by itself 4 times. So we're saying do x squared 4 times. Well, there's x squared, so that's 2 x's. X squared again, that's 2 more x's. X squared the third time, that's 2 more x's. X squared a fourth time, that's 2 more x's. How many x's do I have? I end up having 8 x's. It's saying do that thing inside the number of times of the power on the outside. And if we count them here, we can see that this is indeed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The result is 8 x's, x to the 8. If I think of x to the power of 4 squared, well, that's saying do 4 x's 2 times. So I have my 4 x's the first time, and then I'm going to add 4 more x's the second time. And how many x's do I have? 8 of them. So it's saying do x to the fourth 2 times. Well, we know that x to the fourth is 4 x's. So that is why when we have an exponent, a to the power of n to the power of m, the result is we multiply those 2 values together. Hopefully this gave you a little bit of an easier way to think about this. Bye, guys.